Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Sony headphones to your iPhone. So to do this we have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds. And next we have to go to the settings of our iPhone, click for the Bluetooth and turn it on by tapping on the switcher. In most cases they will be automatically detected. As you can see here, I can find them. So select them once by tapping on the name. As you can see right now we are connected. So the next step, we have to open the App Store on our phone and we have to download Sony headphones application. We have to get this application, so simply download it on your phone and after that you can just open. Here we have to click some quick guide, and as you can see we are also connected with the application. So when you previously connect them by using the standard Bluetooth settings, you will be also able to do this without any effort with the phone application. So you can just download it and you will be already set up. And that's how it looks. As you can see, that's very simple. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel.